I'm going to walk you through a fast manifesting method in this video, even if you have trouble visualizing. The law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings serve as the foundation for this method. Neville Goddard imparted the knowledge that your imagination is the universe's creative energy and that you may utilize it to mold reality to fit what you desire. He also taught about the law of assumption, which says that you will experience what you firmly and emotionally assume to be true. This means that if you want to manifest anything, you don't have to worry about the how, the when, or the why. All you have to do is assume that you already have it and feel the joy and gratitude of having it. By doing this, you will impress your subconscious mind with the idea of your desire, and it will attract the corresponding circumstances to make it happen. But what if you're not able to visualize? What happens if you find it difficult to create a mental image of the result you want? What if you can see yourself in the setting that signals your wish has been granted? Don't be worried. Visualization is not the sole method for manifesting. In fact, Neville Goddard stated that visualization is merely one of many strategies that may be used to stimulate your imagination and perceive your wish as real. Other ways to activate your senses and emotions, he says, are noises, scents, tastes, touches, or words. He stated that you may utilize whatever strategy that works for you as long as it gives you the impression that your wish has already been realized. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of these ways that I found to be really effective and simple to put into practice. It's known as scripting. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation and get rid of limiting beliefs and maintain your positive affirmations, get your free manifestation planner down in the link below. Scripting is a process in which you write out your aspirations as if they have already come true. It's like creating a tale in which you are the protagonist who has accomplished all of their objectives. Scripting works because it allows you to verbalize your sensations and emotions, making them more real and concrete. It also assists you in developing a clear and distinct picture of what you want and concentrating on the final product rather than the process. Scripting is also effective because it stimulates the power of affirmation. Affirmations are positive remarks that aid in the programming of your subconscious mind with new thoughts and assumptions. They assist you in replacing any negative or restricting ideas with good and uplifting thoughts. They assist you in affirming that your wish has already been fulfilled and that you are pleased and at peace with it. So, how do you manifest using scripting? Here are some steps to follow. First, decide on an aspect or goal that you wish to achieve. It can be whatever you want, such as money, love, good health, or a successful career. 2. Write your aim in the present tense as if it has already occurred. For example, at the end of this month, I have $10,000 in my bank account. By Valentine's Day, I am in a loving and committed relationship with my soulmate, or I am happy and content in every aspect of my life right now. 3. Write down your feelings on reaching your objective. Use adjectives like happy, grateful, excited, and proud to convey your emotions. For instance, I am happy and grateful to have $10,000 in my bank account at the end of this month. I am overjoyed and free. I can buy everything I want and need without having to worry about money. I may also use my fortune to help others and make a difference in the world. I'm overjoyed and glad to be in a loving and committed relationship with my soulmate by Valentine's Day. I feel very loved and treasured. I've discovered my ideal partner, someone who understands and supports me in whatever I do. We have a great time together and make each other laugh every day. Right now, I am really happy and content in every aspect of my life. I'm feeling quite balanced and harmonic. In my life, I have all I require and desire. I have a fantastic job that I like and succeed at. I have a healthy body that I maintain. I have a loving family and supportive friends that are always there for me. 4. Write down what you're doing or experiencing as a result of reaching your goal. Use descriptive adjectives to describe your activities or events, such as doing, having, seeing, hearing, and so on. For example, I'm using the funds in my bank account to purchase a new laptop and a phone. I'm also contributing to a charity that I believe in. Friends and relatives are complimenting and congratulating me on my financial accomplishments. My spouse and I are going on a romantic date. We're going to a beautiful restaurant and a movie theater for Valentine's Day. We're kissing each other while holding hands. We're telling each other how much we adore each other. and how happy we are to be together. I'm doing what I enjoy, and I enjoy what I do for a living. I'm working on fascinating and significant initiatives that will make a difference in the world. My supervisor and coworkers are recognizing and appreciating my efforts. I am also highly compensated and love the privileges of my employment. 5. Write down your reasons for being grateful for reaching your objective. Use terms like because, since, or for to convey your reasons. For example, having $10,000 in my bank account by the end of this month provides me with financial stability and flexibility. It also enables me to live a comfortable and bountiful life while simultaneously assisting others in need. By Valentine's Day, I am fortunate to be in a loving and devoted relationship with my soulmate because it makes me feel whole and joyful. It also adds love, pleasure, and friendship to my life and helps me grow as a person. I am glad to feel balanced and harmonic right now since I am happy and content in every aspect of my life. It also represents my inner self and purpose, as well as connecting me to the universe. 6. Read your script aloud or in your head and feel the emotions that accompany it. Feel as if your writing is already true and happening right now as you read it. Feel as if you're living your ideal existence and encountering your ideal reality. Feel the joy, appreciation, excitement, love, or any other emotion that comes from having accomplished your objective. Every day, read your script, preferably before going to bed and after waking up. This will assist you in programming your subconscious mind with a notion of your objective and causing it to manifest quickly. This is how you use scripting for manifestation even if you can't visualize. This strategy can help you activate and harness the power of your imagination and the law of assumption to create your desired reality. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this video and found the information beneficial. Please let me know how this strategy worked for you and what you thought of it. If you have any questions or stories regarding your success with this strategy, I'd love to hear them. Sharing your experiences may also encourage others. Thank you so much for your interest. I am grateful for your assistance.